Hello again and welcome to another video. This video will be Vsicm 5, in other words the VMware vSphere Install Configure Manage Lab 5. So I'm down on Lab 5 and I'm going to do things a little differently. I'm going to go ahead and pop this out of here and then move this out of the way and put it over beside my desktop that I've already launched and pull it down so we can cover up part of my desktop there. And this task, our objective here is to add a vClass local as an LDAP identity source. So here's what we'll need to do. Okay, it says log into the VCSA. I have something else open. I'll go ahead and close this. I'll just say log out. And you go to that right here. In the upper left, vSphere Site A. Go to vSphere Client, log into there. Administrator at vSphere.local. I've saved my password, or you can type the standard lab password and log in. So we've logged in, and we're going to go to Administration and find Single Sign-On and click Configuration. So in the upper left, we click on the main menu, go down to Administration. Then we find Single Sign-On and click on Configuration in the left navigation menu. In the right, verify that Identity Sources is selected. Okay, let's see. Identity Sources is right here. In the vSphere.local and local OS appear as sources. Yes, they do. Here's vSphere.local and here's local OS. And we're going to click Add. So add an identity source. So from the identity source type drop down, select Active Directory. Over LDAP. The second one, Active Directory over LDAP. Next, the identity source name, number 7, is LDAPS-vClass. LDAPS in caps dash vClass. I need a V. There we go. In a base distinguished name for users, enter DC equals vClass, comma, DC equals local. Gotta check my typing. DC, that's equals class. DC equals class, comma, DC equals local. All right, you got it right now. The base distinguished name for groups is the same thing. It's DC equals vClass, comma, DC equals local. Okay, in the domain name text box, enter vclass.local. That's number 10. Number 11, leave the domain alias box blank. In the username, enter administrator at vclass.local. And don't put don't put vsphere.local, it's vclass.local. Common mistake. Okay, and our standard lab password, Vmware 1 bang. Then in the primary server URL text box, enter LDAPS ://dc.vclass.local:636. Okay, no secondary server. Next to certificates, click Browse. Then we go to the desktop, it says, and find cert.pem, and click Open. Okay, let's make sure everything's right. LDAPS-V class, that looks correct. I don't see any obvious mistakes. Good time to check her work, and click Add. Verify that vclass.local is added as an identity source, and it is. And that's the end of that short lab. Thank you for watching.